Introducing the PowerPack Pro, where innovation meets effortless charging. Engineered for those who demand rapid charging on the move, the PowerPack Pro is tailored to support the latest fast-charging mobile devices. Whether you're navigating daily commutes or embarking on your next adventure, we've got your back. The PowerPack Pro is currently available in Midnight Black with 2 model variations. PowerPack Pro for Apple with a Lightning cable, and PowerPack Pro with USB-C. Today we're unboxing the USB-C version. Let's dive in and take a closer look. First thing you'll notice is the built-in kickstand on the back. This robust kickstand offers versatile positioning for your device. Choose portrait mode for work or video calls, or switch to landscape for your favorite movies. The choice is entirely yours. Next, you'll notice the single integrated fast charging cable neatly tucked into the side of the PowerPack Pro. I'm showcasing the USB-C cable here, but if you opted for the Apple version, you'll find an MFI certified Lightning cable as well. Although this cable looks simple, it's our most advanced and unique cable yet. It features 20-watt fast charging capabilities for both Lightning and USB-C, making it compatible with the latest iPhone 15 series and Android devices. This 20-watt cable makes it up to 4 times faster than traditional wall chargers. It can quickly charge your device from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. One of the standout features of this cable is its swivel functionality. Say goodbye to awkward angles. Simply pull out the cable, twist it, and place your phone on the front to find the most comfortable charging position while holding the PowerPack Pro. If you're using the USB-C model, this cable doubles as both a charging and recharging function. Just connect it to your USB-C power adapter to quickly recharge the PowerPack Pro itself. On the front of the device is the MagSafe compatible wireless charging surface. Using a MagSafe or SnapMag case, you can simply snap on your phone and attach it magnetically. This gives you a quick alternate way to charge while on the go. On the side, you'll see a USB-C port. Using the included USB-C charging cable, you can quickly recharge the PowerPack Pro. Lastly, next to the stand, you'll find the simple LED charging indicators and power button. Each light represents 25% of the battery for the PowerPack Pro. Single-click the power button to begin charging, or double-click to turn charging off. And there you have it, a full walkthrough and tutorial of the new PowerPack Pro. It's your go-to portable charger for those who prioritize faster charging speeds while on the go. We can't wait to see where you'll take it. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.